Hello everyone, my name is Kamlesh and today's date is 20 December 2022, and today we will going to discuss on the topic that is one of the important topics in OOPS, that is inheritance. So we know the OOPS is a used for the real world entity. We can implement the real world entity in our program. So we just see one example. Suppose there is a parent and child, so these two entities are in our program. So the child have one house and one cars, so it is obviously it is a property of child in the real life. So like that, the inheritance is one of the this is the one of the example of inheritance. Here in inheritance there is also having a two or more than two classes. So one is a super classes, we can say, and another is a subclasses. So in that classes, the super classes, every property, every methods, variables are the accessed by the subclasses. So subclass can extend that extend the superclass and all acquires the all data from the superclasses. So in inheritance there is a four main types. That is first is a single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, then multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and one is a hybrid inheritance. So in single inheritance it is a simple inheritance, that is a one superclass and one subclass. And next is a multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance there is a one superclass. It have only one superclass and number of multiple child classes. So the child classes can extend the another child class, another child class can extend the another child class, like that the series can add the n number of. So that is the multi-level inheritance. And next is a multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, we can say it is a suppose there is a there is a father and there is a mother. So these two super classes, and here his one child. So the child can, whenever get the properties, he can confuse the car is a father's car or mother's car, house is a father's house or mother's house, like that he can confuse. So like that, whenever we going to implement in our program, the subclass can confuse when they get the data from the two superclasses. So when we write down the two classes, superclass, that is we can insert the method in a parent superclass, and next is a parent 2, we can insert the variable. So the third is a subclass can confuse the which data from the which class we can acquire. So it is basically not acceptable in OOPS concept, but we can accept when we using the interface. By using interface it can allow in OOPS concept. And next is a hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical inheritance, it is used in our OOPS concept. That is rarely used in our OOPS concept or any our programming language. So that is all about our today's, that is inheritance. So thank you.